Fifth grade. In this chapter, we're going to continue with the classroom objects, but you are to identify these specific words that you have been learning throughout the Spanish classes that accompany every word that is not an action. And these words are el y la. So here I have one in blue and one in red because we're going to make the difference between el is masculino, is a masculine item, la is a feminine one. And more than recognizing these two words, we're going to work also with the plural of these words. So we already learned el lápiz, la regla. Now we're going to make these words plural. So the plural of el is going to turn into los. El means one item. Los is going to be more than one. That starts with el. So when we say el lápiz, but if we have more than one, so we're going to say, sorry about that, los lápices, los lápices. So here we're going to pay attention how to form the plural words in Spanish too. So we're going to go one at a time. We're going to start with el and then the word los, okay? El lápiz, los lápices. Now we also have words that begin with la, como la regla, la regla. So la regla is one. And if we have more than one, then we have to make it also into more than one. So this word is going to turn into las reglas, la regla, las reglas. Okay? So el is los and la is las. So we're going to pay attention to the words en español. And we are going to see that computadora is la computadora, la computadora. And that means one, la computadora. But if we have more than one, everything has to agree. Las computadoras, las computadoras. So the rule is that when a word ends in a vowel in Spanish, we just add the word es to make it plural. Las computadoras. Now we have the word borrador, which is an eraser. Borrador ends in a consonant, R. So when we say el borrador, that's going to mean only one. El borrador, el borrador. And if we have more than one, then we have to say los borradores. And when a word ends in a consonant, then we have to change it. We have to add, es. So when a word ends in a vowel, we add s. When it ends in a consonant, we add es to make it plural. And this word changes to los. Now there is another trick. We have a lápiz. And lápiz ends in a z. And that means one. If we have more than one, so we have to say los lápices. And we have to pay attention that the Z changes into C and we add ES. We are going to recognize the words es that we were practicing before, and now this is son. Es un lápiz, son lápices. We are going to use also the word I. And so when I say ¿cuántos lápices hay? Hay dos lápices, hay tres lápices. How many pencils are there in the classroom? So we need to pay attention if there is more than one, we need to make it plural. Hay un lápiz, hay dos lápices. And this is what we're going to pay attention in this specific chapter, the plural and the singular. Thank you.